Hey guys, welcome to twonewparents.com. Today I'm going to do a review on the Fisher-Price Aptivity iPad case. A couple things I want to tell you about. I'm going to tell you about the free apps that you can buy. There's tons of really cool programs for your baby. I'm going to get to that in a minute or two at the most. I want to tell you first about the case. So this was bought at Walmart for $39.99. You can get one of these cases for your phone and your iPad. Now the downfall on the phone case is that it's only good to the 4S iPhone, and I have an iPhone 5, so I couldn't use it. So I thought, you know what, my baby's small anyway, and I know that he'd be more engaged with the bigger screen. So I thought, okay, I have an iPad 2, I know it takes that, so I went with this case. Okay, so just a little FYI, this case, $40 at Walmart. It's the cheapest that you can find new in Canada anyway. I'm sure it's cheaper in the States. All right, so why would you want one of these? Well, it protects your iPad all the way around. So front, back, side. You know your baby, once he or she uses this and gets to a certain age, it's going to be drooling all over it. It's going to be throwing it around, and you can see how your iPad or iPhone would get damaged. Okay, so it's completely protected all the way around. The home button is also protected. So I remember my son trying out these apps without the case and kept pressing that button, and it was very irritating, so I couldn't walk away. I had to restart it, often. So that's an FYI. Another one, this is how you get to it. So it's really easy. You just take a quarter and you just, release it on both sides, okay? So if you want to get out of the program, you're going to have to take the whole iPad out. As for charging, you can't charge it when the game's playing. You, again, have to take the iPad out, but that's okay. It's not a big deal to me. I'd rather have my iPad protected. Okay, so that's just a bit about the case. Stay tuned. I still want to tell you very quickly about the apps. So this is an animal app. There's one for counting, one for basically anything. I think there's 5 or 6 or more of these apps. They're free. You can get them at, I think it's the App Store. All you have to do is type in Fisher-Price, and all those games will come up, and they're free. Okay, so small price to pay, I think, anyway, for this case. Yeah, it's $40, but all the games that go with it are free of charge. Okay, so go check it out. So far, I'm happy with it, and I know my son will really enjoy playing these games, and he's learning. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.